Good morning! It's me, Mayeng, your provincial princess. Another day, another blessing. In today's video, guess where we are going. Magpasok tayo sa patungo sa Lirea. Get ready for the fresh air, good vibes, and maybe some few surprises. So if you're ready to know why South Farm becoming the favorite hidden gem, make sure that you hit the like button and please subscribe. So alright, let's go. As you enter, you're welcomed by this beautiful rustic entrance, supernatural and inviting. Then, we arrive at their spacious parking lot, which is great especially if you're coming with a family or in a group. And guess what? They also have Muay Thai training here. I didn't expect that, but it's pretty amazing that the farm has a sports facility too. From the parking lot, it's just a short walk to the entrance, where you pay the entrance fee. Entrance fee is 380 pesos per person, and trust me, it's worth it for everything you'll experience inside. Here's a map of the whole place so you can plan your visit. It's surprisingly big and has a lot of activities. And don't forget, they also have a pasalubong corner. Once you enter and you get your badge, that's it. You're free to explore the entire place. First thing I noticed, they have these garbage bins with proper labels. Super cool and eco-friendly. Then as we walked further, we were surrounded by beautiful trees and peaceful pathways that lead to a small pond. There we met one of the friendly staff. Kuya was catching fish, and he told us that we can try fishing too. And you can even have your catch cook right here. Of course, I gave it a try, but sadly, I didn't catch any. Still, it was such a fun activity, especially for families. Right beside the pond is the prawn restaurant, where you can eat your freshly caught fish or prawns. Seriously, it doesn't get fresher than this. A great way to bond with a family, fish, feast, and just enjoy the peaceful farm vibe. What a fun and wholesome experience here at South Farm. Tara ba? Tara, Boots!
Yo!
Life with Dora and Boots. Ultimately, pwede kayong kumain here and then welcome sa aking kitchen.
Oh, no.
Ba, malay mo. Diba?
Alay.
Ito ay pwede kang mag-catch ng bangus. But kailangan mo ng assistant. Bangus gulay.
Bangus.
Nasa isip ka, catch and cook our fisherman. There's a difference between the Laguna bangus and the Bohol bangus. And as you can see, this is their bangus. Oh, rar. Ikaw ang aking videographer. Ako na lang mag-e-edit. Dito ay papasok tayo sa patungo sa Lirea. Para na mga
May TF talaga to.
Para na mga pasnaya. Kasama ko ngayon si
Danaya.
Wala ka na ko tayo kasi ganun. Ito yung livestock and do not touch.
Do not touch. So please
get your
get.
badge at bayad for farm tour access. No badge no. Is this ano?
This is our badge. That's our badge.
This is the badge, guys.
Oh, emphasize mo.
This is the badge, guys. See?
No, there's no South Farm.
This is it, guys. This is the badge. No badge, no entry, and this is the badge. As we walk along the pathway, we're now heading to the piggery section. Look at these huge black pigs. They are really massive. And over here, look at their piglets. They're so cute, black, small, and there are so many of them. It's really fun watching them move. Andito pala ang aking nawawalang kapatid.
Uy.
No, cute. O, di ba pink siya? Love, ito tayo doon. Kakainin natin siya. Pwede tayo magkakain ng sheep. Sheep!
Hindi shit ha? Sheep.
Sheep! Me!
Hello.
Picture daw, picture! Wow! Next stop, we're feeding the sheep. They're so excited to eat and it's such a fun experience being this close to them. Definitely a must-try activity when you visit South Farm. After that, we'll see different kinds of ducks. Some are big, some are small, and they come in different colors. They either swimming or walking around or just chilling. So cute to watch. Okay guys, lahat ng nakikita nyo ay...
Ano?
Ay... Ikaw.
Duck?
Ay... Hindi sa akin. Scientific name is... Scientific name, answer... Guinea fowl. Ewan ko kung tama akong basa. Turkey. And ducks. May ducks naman.
Ducks.
Ducks. And then, we went to see some horses. They're so cute. Here at South Farm, it's required to have a staff assistant if you want to ride or touch the horses. Kuya, the staff, helped me learn how to ride and even walk me around the area. It was such a cool and exciting experience. After that, they also have Nubian goats that you can feed. There are some leaves on the side that you can pick and give to the goats, and they'll happily eat them right from your hand. But always remember, these goats are strong, so be ready with your hands and be careful while feeding them. We also saw some peacocks and wow, it's amazing! It was actually my first time to see one in real life and they look so beautiful with their colorful feathers. Definitely one of the highlights of this trip. And around the area, there are small ponds where you can see fishes swimming. It adds such a peaceful vibe to the farm. Perfect spot to just relax for a moment. After that, we saw the signage for the tortoise, so we went there to check it out. There were many kids feeding the tortoises, and of course, we also tried feeding them. It was so much fun, such a unique experience to be that close to these gentle animals. After that, we went to the cat house. Now, I'm not really a fan of cats because I'm asthmatic, but we still entered to see it. Before going in, you need to write your name and change your shoes into slippers, which they provide. The place is air-conditioned, clean, and very cozy. Inside, there are lots of different kind of cats. Some are super fluffy, and some even looks like tigers because they're so huge. They are approachable, sweet, and really cute. Even though I'm not a cat lover, I found them so adorable. And then, we saw some guinea pigs and rabbits. They allow visitors to feed them, so we gave them some food. The rabbits were especially fun to interact with. You can even touch them, but only with the guidance of the staff. There were so many of them and they are super fluffy and cute. The last animals we saw were the birds. With the help of the staff, you can actually touch and feed them. There were so many of them. Colorful, playful, and really cute. But that's not all. South Farm also has many plants and vegetables growing around the area. And before we left, we also saw a wishing well. No one. My prince! Come back, my prince! Wow! Yes, tayo. No. After ng lahat, syempre kunin natin yung 100 pesos consumable na kasama sa ticket na pwede nating ibili ng food. So kain muna tayo. What a perfect way to end this trip. See you! Ciao!